it sound crazy. How you put in time and they just don't appreciate it. Need to get a little house while you getting jaded. You at home all alone while you getting faded. Need to stop giving chances, you gonna take them and dip. Now I'm dipping through your way into the woods, and I wish I play a wood right now. If you try to act tough, I'ma tell a pussy boy, bossy boy, back down. Cause you can claim her, you don't even show her love when she needs you around. I'm a player, but for her I'll probably change my ways right now. Oh yeah, find out why, how he can't see you then. Find out why, how he can't see your worth. Probably you'll miss that if you dip. Probably go crazy, lose his shit if he saw you inside my